From silly jokes to market players, we are going over meme coins that are redefining crypto. Today, we're diving into 3 meme coins that you should know about in 2025. Let's just say one of them is a little bit foxy, and I'll be sharing a surprise trend that the stock world is going crazy about and meme enthusiasts will love. Let's get into it. First up, we have a Pepe coin, which is drawing on the inspiration from the Pepe meme. This coin is an internet sensation, and it is establishing a real-world utility with a focus on community engagement and creating really a strong meme narrative. Pepe coin taps into the fun side of crypto without ignoring sustainability. So if we scroll through here, you can see that, I mean, I love his little hat, but we can see the chart here just popping. Boom. Let's see what it says here. It's loading up. So we have a pretty stable, as you can see. Pretty, it's dropping a little bit, but it's going. It's going. But all about the culture, all about the community. That's what it's all about. You build, you make your wallet, you get some ETH, and you swap it on Uniswap to get your Pepe coin. And as you can see, you can get it right now. So it's all on the major exchanges: Gate.io, Mexi, Bitmart, Bybit, Uniswap, LBank, all the major ones. There's no zero buy and sales tax, which we love. And so as you can see, they are just doing major things. While we're talking about memes, let's step outside of crypto for a second and look at what the WTF stocks introduced by the Watson Group bring us some humor-driven appeal into the stock market, but with a twist. Along with its bold branding, WTF offers advanced AI financial tools, creating a financial bridge between meme culture and traditional finance. It's a wild idea, but it is something that memes are all about, and I love what they're doing. They're definitely changing it to really shake it up a little bit, and that's what it's all about, shaking up the finance in today's world, shaking up all sorts of industries, and that's what they're trying to do at Watson Group. So very exciting about this project. Definitely check this out if you are a meme lover or stocks. Just check them out. You're definitely gonna thank me for it. Next on the list, we have Foxy, the meme coin with a tech-savvy twist. Powered by the Foxy.ai platform, aims to merge the entertainment of meme coins with the practical just of AI. I just love AI. Use it on the daily. From predictive analyze tools to integrate for decentralized applications, Foxy proves that meme coins can balance fun with functionality. And I love using the AI really analytics tools. You got to use data to really make money. And if you're able to use the data to make money, you can do really well for yourself. Not only that, but they do have a play to earn feature with Fox Keeper, Fox Agent, and Fox League. If we open up some of those, you can see what they're doing here. You can check out and join their Telegram. Same thing with their upcoming event here. There's a little video here, and then obviously their Fox League. Boom, all sorts of different things you can check out right now on their project. And that leads us to finally Hedgecoin, a meme coin with a styled for the serious investor with a branding that playfully mocks hedge funds and traditional investing. The Hedge coin attracts both crypto newcomers and seasoned pros. Its innovative staking model and reward system really shows that it's no joke whatsoever. It is a coin with strategy and purpose behind the meme. So something to be mindful of. These rewards, even though they might look funny, they are no joke. I mean, you might be crying, but you might get some serious big gain. Look at these cute little guys. So definitely want to unlock your hedge story. Read all about it up on this, how to get in on the hedge coin, and all of the sweet rewards you can get. So pretty sweet stuff. So in summary, you get the Pepe coin that is all about community and really building a stability coin for everyone. You have obviously the WTF stock that is might want to check out if you are into stocks. You have Foxy, which is a tech-driven meme coin, which if you are someone into using AI to drive your choices, and then this might be for you. And then finally we have Hedgecoin, which is a play on really the hedge funds, but for serious investors, or if you're a meme lover like myself. So that's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, smash the like button, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.